Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Zoom profile picture. So let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom app and make sure you are signed in. Now, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the Zoom window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Profile section and click on the Edit My Profile button. This will open your Zoom profile page in your default browser. Once you are there, hover over your current profile picture and click on the small pencil icon. A new screen will pop up giving you the option to upload a new picture, take photo or delete the current one. Click on delete to take off your profile picture completely. A confirmation will appear, just click on yes to continue. And that's it. Now you know how to remove Zoom profile picture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.